All right. Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. Hey, we just did a video of this floor earlier. Dante did it, but I wanted to do another one. I wanted to really emphasize that what we're doing here is we're taking this beautiful floor, nothing really wrong with it, hand distressed, 5-inch flake maple. It's got a little stain on it, like a cinnamon color. But a couple of companies came over here and told them nothing you can do with it. If you want a different floor, different color, you've got to replace it. 50 grand. But no, we do this every week. Let me turn you around and show what we got. So it's a beautiful floor. You can see that waviness, the hand distress, the bevels. A couple of the high areas more wore out. See that? You're going to always get that with the hand distress. Just the high areas are going to always wear out faster than the low areas. Hey Dante, where's that sample again? But they wanted a different color. They're tired of the hand distress. We're going to get rid of all the bevels. Set that down there. Once we're finished with this, we're doing that Loba, and you guys seen it in the other videos, the Loba Invisible. That's what's going to be the difference. This entire room, this entire house is going to change just by sanding and refinishing this hardwood floor. Don't let these other companies tell you that it can't be done, that you have to have this floor demoed and buy another floor, have it installed, redo your base. Stay tuned. We're going to do another video this afternoon, show you the process, how much we got done, and then you'll see that finished product tomorrow. Perfect.